Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Milligan. Welcome to Kinetic Energy. We are shifting our science from Earth to physics and how things move. We're really going to start off with a project-based learning task to see maybe what you already know about kinetic energy and maybe what we still need to know. So this is an open-ended creative project. Use what you have around the house. The rubric is included. The directions are included as well. And then the different roles, obviously you're going to be working by yourself. So anything that has a team listed in the assignment, disregard unless you want to enlist the help of some family members, but you do not have to. The entry document kind of gives you an invitation to create. You are going to design a roller coaster, and it needs to maximize the change in energy of motion. So you need to actually create a sketch, first of all. And the second thing is some sort of video. It can be very short, just showing the motion of the object. And then the third thing is a written summary. So you just need 3 major things for this project. And it could be something you already have or something that you make. So you want to maximize the thrill of the ride. So the company says they would like for you to include 2 hills, up and down, a loop, and at least 1 curve. But I'm going to kind of change that a little bit if those aren't possible at all for you based on the materials that you have. We just want to see an object in motion. So be creative with it. The only must-haves are those 3 that I recently said. So you are going to be all of these roles. So when it says team, you are your own leader, your own engineer, your own architect, and your own system operator. So let's review some of the vocabulary that you might have seen before, maybe last year or maybe in 4th grade. So kinetic energy is just energy in motion. You can see that these rocks on the top of the hill gain speed as the incline gets sharper. So you can see the lines in between each rock shows motion. The next one is the law of conservation of energy. So conservation means to save or to hold. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. I'm going to repeat that. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Energy just changes the form. So it can change direction, it can change speed, and it can change angles and things like that. Let's go to the next one, mass. Mass is the measure of how much matter is present in a substance. So you can see that the last bar is at 300, the middle bar is at 40, and then the small bar is at about 3.5. So 343.5, and sometimes it's measured in grams. And there's other types of measurements too, but that's kind of the one that I'm guessing for this block that's on the scale. Motion is the change in an object's position with respect to time and in comparison with the positions of other objects used as reference points. Speed. The rate of change of position or distance traveled with respect to time. It's units in which speed is measured, and they're expressed as distance per time or meters per second or miles per hour. So you might have recognized this word in a lot of our science activities that we've done, or math. We've done a lot of conversions with units in math class. That is it for our vocab. If you have any questions on your roller coaster engineering project for Monday, ask me. It says presentation time. You do not need to make a presentation, and your video doesn't have to be 10 minutes. So it's a short video, sketch, and then a summary, a written summary. And I made a checklist of things that you might ask yourself to double check that you have. So some ideas that you might need to know. So read the roles about how you can be your own leader, how you can engineer something on your own, what you would need to design your sketch of your architect, and then how you could be a system operator. So good luck. Do your personal best. I can't wait to see how these turn out. Just showing something in motion, a marble, a matchbox car, whatever you come up with, I'm sure will be amazing. Talk to you later.